Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. The market's bumping up a bit off the bottom, stocks up a lot, which is good. Remember, protect your capital, invest smartly, diversify, don't diversify too much. I'm buying, you have to do your own due diligence, not financial advice. I'm going to show you how I'm going to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll look at the NASDAQ, and I'll look at the total market cap of all cryptos. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash the thumbs up button, follow me on Twitter, there's 72,000 people on there, and join us in the Telegram. You can talk to 5,000 other traders and investors in the free Telegram. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going back to 2019. You can see here went all the way to 69. If it comes down to that blue trend line, it's around 13,000. You can see here this blue trend line that goes back to 2019. It started 2 touches on the trend line building this. There's in a descending triangle. We're bouncing off on the descending triangle, so in the next weeks we're expecting a rebound here, going back up to 19,000, and then most likely breaking out to the upside, because this is a descending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. Let's go into closer on the daily. Daily, it's making inverse head and shoulders. If I go in the 4 hourly, I'll see it more clearly. In the short term, it's now making a small head and shoulders, so that's not a good thing. Let's clear out some of these patterns. The trade is about even on earlier today. Let's see if we're seeing something new. I still see a big inverse head and shoulders here. This is a huge pattern that if it breaks out, it could have a massive movement. I see that more likely actually from the volume and the stochastic. Could have a movement like this for Bitcoin. 18,326. I see that as an inverse head and shoulders here. So I'd be going long here. I'll flip and go long here. It's showing strength, and it looks like it's small bull flags here. Bull flag, bull flag. I would go long here. Stop loss just underneath, so never risking more than 2% of our capital. Remember, our goal: protect all capital at all risk. You protect your money, then you can trade, you can invest, you can find ways to make money. But if you lose your capital, that's when you're fucked. So don't ever lose your capital. Protect. Rule number 1 by Warren from Buffett: protect your capital. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1: protect your money, don't lose it. 2% stop loss. Bull flag, risking 187 to make $1,300, so a 6.95 risk to reward ratio. I like anything above 3, because then for every trade I'm risking, I can make 3 losses and still be profitable. So for this, every trade I'm risking, I can make 7 losses and still be profitable. But most of ours, if you've seen, it's like 70-80% win rate. So that's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, which is beautiful, very low risk to reward. 187 to 1,300 profit. 10x leverage would be $13,000 of profit. Now let's quickly go into the NASDAQ for the stock market. I've been going heavy into Google, Facebook, TSM, and that's paying off massively from the bottom. From the bottom on the NASDAQ, we're already up 12% off the bottom of the NASDAQ. And what I'm seeing here is something very impressive. I'm predicting that the war is going to end. On December 13th, I'm predicting on the 28th of December, the war will end with Russia and Ukraine, or some ceasefire, some news. Why? Because look at this. I'm seeing one massive W formation here. I'm seeing a downward megaphone pattern that usually break out to the upside. And then when we zoom in, I'm seeing multiple W formations, which are bottoming formations. One here, and then when we go even closer again, look at this, another one here, multiple bottoming W formations. So I'm expecting a big breakout on the NASDAQ and the stock markets, some massive move. And something that sets off such a massive move has to be either, the only thing I can think of is like them reducing inflation, like the Fed pulling back on being too aggressive with interest rates, or the end of war and like some ceasefire with Russia and Ukraine, which would be the best outcome. If you want to trade like you've been seeing me do, underneath these videos in the description, down below in the videos, you can sign up to Bybit. That's where you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins. You can buy spot. You can buy MCRT on there. And when you trade and reach the maximums, you can get 30,000 USDT bonus. You can learn. I've got an altcoin live trading tutorial that teaches you how to do everything in more detail. Take my courses, join 7,000 students, join me on Twitter, and join that live Telegram alerts group. It's free, and there's 5,000 people in there, which is epic. And the team, there's been amazing stuff happening with the MCRT team. They had a tech AMA, MCRT tech AMA to the public that happened a few days ago. We're going to have an AMA, with our legal team. So we have in-house developers, smart contract developers, Unity developers, legal team, lawyers, accountants, amazing marketing team. We have an amazing team, and you can ask. We're going to start doing AMA. So we had a tech team AMA 2 days ago with the community asking questions about MCRT. Now we're going to have a legal AMA with our legal department, which will be beautiful. Someone made a costume of one of the MCRT characters, which looks epic. She's wearing a live costume on stage at the Turkish event. I got to find the name of that. This is Magus, one of the characters that's an NFT that's coming to the game. You can play him at beta.magicraft.io. The government, when you lose money in crypto, I told you it's risky and volatile. The government, when you make profit in crypto, tax. Thank you, James. You're the best, even in bear market. I don't worry. You are relentless in updating us, whatever your schedule is. Very much appreciated. Thank you, BitBoy. Monthly exchange volume. So we've got a lot of volume still happening on exchanges. Total 642 billion during November. So massive money is moving in crypto space. We had that tech AMA, which was beautiful. The team did an amazing job. 2022 noob traders, panic sellers. 2013 and 17 holders. And the thing is, everyone, I've been since 2012. Chill. Now is the time to make money, not at when everyone's peak euphoria at 69K. Now is where you make the money. I'm buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT, Cake, Uniswap, BNB, Google, Facebook, Meta, TSM. You have to do your own due diligence. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. Consult your brokers, etc. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Comment down below. What are you buying? What do you think is going to happen to the Christmas? Are we going to have a big pump? Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.